The employer must provide respiratory protection in accordance with 1910.134 for the following: while installing engineered controls and work practices, during maintenance and repair when engineered and work practice controls are not feasible, and when feasible controls do not reduce exposures to less than the permissible exposure level. For operations that produce exposures greater than the PEL 30 days per year where the employer has not implemented engineered or work practice controls, and during emergencies. Protective clothing and equipment must be provided if skin or eye contact hazards exist. It must be clean, appropriate, and at no cost to the employee. The employer and employee must ensure the clothing and equipment is used. The clothing must be removed at the end of the shift or at the completion of the tasks that cause exposure, whichever occurs first. It must be retained on site unless removed by a laundry service. Exposed clothing must be stored and transported in sealed, impermeable, properly labeled containers, and the laundry service must be notified of hazards. You must avoid dispersing dust from protective clothing by blowing or shaking. And finally, it must be cleaned in a manner that minimizes skin and eye contact and prevents overexposure.